Hey everyone! So today I am going to wash all the dirty babies, means my brushes and sponges. I'm not telling you the way how to do it, but just this is the way I do it. So first of all, I heat up water. I heat it up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I just pour it into a container. I prefer steel container. Then I just add some shampoo. You can add body wash or brush wash, whatever you can. Then I just mix it with these brushes only. I let the brushes to sit in with good 15 to 20 minutes so that all the water is soaked up and brushes are completely wet from inside, so it sponges. So after 15 to 20 minutes, I again start squeezing the sponges, dragging the brushes and all. I don't have really a tool for cleaning the brushes, so I just use a small comb which we get in a compact mirror, and I just move it around inside the brushes like we comb a hair. And after doing that, I put one by one in a basket. For small brushes, I really feel that need of cleaning tool. The next thing I am going to do is keep my basket under the running water so that all the makeup is out. And in the same basket, I just drag, so now you can see the remaining makeup is coming out. Now at last, finally, I keep it outside for letting it dry and give it a good time.